Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see analytics on X Twitter. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Twitter app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now you have to convert your account to a professional account. So simply click on Edit Profile. After that, scroll down and click on the Switch to Professional feature. Next, click on Agree and Continue, and then select any category to display on your profile. Once selected, simply click on Next and then choose the Business Account option. After that, your account will be converted into a professional account. Now, click on More, select Ads, and then you will be directed to the Analytics page. Here you can select your objective. After that, click on Analytics, and then click Account Home to view your analytics. So that's basically how you can see analytics on X Twitter. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.